You think God has given you an unfit child? If your child is not that good in their studies, then why don't you pray? Many times it must be the cause of their parents. Saying that the parents do not know the Lord.
Why do you think children nowadays are taking things lightly? Because of their parents. But they only know how to dress up. Only in the way that they dress up. But talk about their education qualification, they are under matric. I say if the way they dress up is matches with their qualification, that will be better. So there are people who will dress up. So despite they have already dressed and then yet hide. And because of their foolishness, that is why they don't even complete their matric. That is why in Meghalaya, see, we don't have IAS. No IPS. No IFS. But when I speak about it, people get angry. But I have to. They should have that standard of both speaking in English as well as in the position. They really know how to speak in English. But talk about the position, the degree.
I'm still unemployed.
Don't worry, even if your son is not that good in academics. Sometimes you are worried about your children's future. Many times when I go for parents' meeting, they would say that we don't want children to be beaten up. You cannot even chastise them or correct them. It means that our children now are so fragile, even than the egg itself. So they are so soft and fragile that they can melt. In our time, you are beaten in school. Come home and then you have to pretend that you're not in pain, because if they're at home, they come to know, then they'll be beaten up. So they're still being fed by their parents. That is why, if we are in the Lord, we know how to dress up. You know, even your phone, do you cover it? You cover both the front and the back side of your phone. So that to prevent your phone from breaking, you know how to protect and cover it from front and back. But yourself? So that is why we have to know. So in one of the service, there was this pastor, he could not look at the people and preach, but he had to look over the other direction and preach. Jesus loves you. He loves you. Because he could not directly see the one who's in front. Because this girl who was seated in front could not sit still. Now that is foolishness.